Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix laptop battery not charging while plugged in. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first method is to check the power adapter and cable. So you want to ensure that the charger is plugged in properly to both the laptop and the wall outlet. Check for any loose connections. Inspect the cable and adapter for any visual damage. If there's any wear or fraying, you may need a replacement. And you can also try a different outlet, so sometimes the power outlet might not be working. The second step is to update or reinstall the battery drivers. So what we can do is hit Windows and the X key on your keyboard, go to Device Manager. Now once you're inside Device Manager, we want to find batteries, click onto batteries, and then you got two batteries here or one, just depending on your system. What you want to do is go ahead and install both and then restart your PC. If that doesn't work, we might need to calibrate the battery. So to calibrate the battery, so sometimes recalibrating your battery can help. To do this, you need to fully charge the battery to 100%, let the battery drain completely until the laptop shuts off, and then fully charge the battery up to 100%. This process helps recalibrate the battery's charging indicator. Another step we can try is remove the battery and reinstall it if it's removable. So if your laptop has a removable battery, try removing the battery, then reinstall it after a few seconds. If you're confident enough to open up your laptop to do this, I recommend trying this. And also check for overheating. So overheating can cause charging issues. So ensure your laptop is not getting too hot using a cooling pad, or clean the cooling vents to ensure proper airflow. And if possible, test with a different charger to rule out a faulty power adapter, because that sometimes is the cause. And if none of these steps work, I suggest contacting customer support from where you got your laptop, or send your laptop to a repair technician would be your next best step.